Hi guys, Crystal Chester here. Today I want to talk to you about vitamin D and how important it is for optimal health. For years they saw vitamin D as just a vitamin, but the more they looked at it, they realized it acts more of like a hormone in the body. And there's so many benefits to having optimal levels of vitamin D, everywhere from weight management, fighting depression, warding off infection, even it helps fight off some forms of cancer, it helps with getting rid of diabetes, gets rid of excess estrogen to help with fertility. But the bad part is about 80% of Americans are deficient in vitamin D. That includes women, children, men. But if you think about it, we spend more and more time inside. We work inside, we play inside, kids play inside more than ever, and they just don't get the same sun exposure as they used to. And then when we do go outside, we lather up with all kinds of sunscreen, and it prevents the sun from actually getting into our skin and creating vitamin D. Where I think some of the confusion lies is where we get vitamin D. You can get it from your diet, but it's only naturally occurring in like a handful of foods. That's fatty fish oil and eggs and mushrooms, and that's it. We fortify things with vitamin D, but that's not the vitamin D we need. We need vitamin D3 that we get from the sun, and vitamin D2 is what actually is found in foods. And another thing, milk is not a good source of vitamin D at all. The conventional milk that we have now goes through homogenation and pasteurization, and that denatures proteins, causes free radicals, and actually causes a lot more harm than good in the body. The number one place to get vitamin D is from the sun. So consider when you're going outside, just don't put on any type of protectant or covers right away. Consider being outside for a few minutes. Don't burn or anything, but consider just letting the sun do its job a little bit. It's free vitamin D, your body needs it. And every day, whether you're outside or not, 365 days a year, I recommend a high quality vitamin D3 supplement. If you're between the ages of 5 and 70, I recommend anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 IUs a day. And that's whether you're pregnant or nursing. If you're over 70, about 4,000 will do, 4,000 IUs a day. And if you're curious about your vitamin D levels, it's super easy to check it. Just go to your doctor, ask for one, and they actually have vitamin D test kits at home now that you can do in the privacy of your own home for around $50. And that's it. That's your lesson for today. Go outside, get some vitamin D. You all have a blessed day.